Behold the power of FinTech, reshaping the financial landscape in ways we've never seen before. With an anticipated worth of over $332 billion by 2027, FinTech is booming. The ever-growing demand for innovative, user-friendly, and cost-effective solutions is the wind beneath its wings. Investments are soaring high, with a record-breaking $210 billion invested in 2021 alone. More than 80% of global financial institutions are diving in, either collaborating or investing in FinTech companies. FinTech is disrupting the old, creating new and expanding financial inclusion. It's giving birth to robo-advisors, mobile money services in Africa, and fostering innovation across the board. Witness the rise of mobile payments, with an expected transaction value of $18 trillion by 2025. Witness the success of digital-only banks, attracting millions of customers worldwide. Witness crowdfunding platforms empowering entrepreneurs with unprecedented access to capital. But FinTech is not just about payments. It's about peer-to-peer lending, with companies like Blender democratizing access to capital. It's about leveraging big data and machine learning for personalized financial services, improved risk management, and identifying new market opportunities. Welcome to the future, where FinTech is not just a buzzword but a revolutionary force shaping our financial world.